Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Today's video is going to be about hand anatomy and how to draw a hand. Watch the video thoroughly to draw a hand like a pro. So let's begin. Follow the steps given. Step 1. Start with line drawing. Step 2. Marking the outline. Step 3. Proper shaping of the bones. Step 4. Drawing finger skeleton. Step 5. Detailing. Follow the steps, and this is how you can draw a hand anatomy sketch. Next, how to draw a hand easy procedure. Number 1. Splitting into basic forms: circles, line and ellipse. Number 2. Joining those forms: circles, line and ellipse. Number 3. Sketch the outline of a hand, observing the shape and position. Number 4. Sketching the essential cuts, highlighting the muscles. Number 5. Finishing the sketch. Shade the sketch thoroughly. Follow the steps given to sketch a hand like a pro. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.